Hey, yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another live stream. Welcome back to another video. If you're watching this in the future, today has been a pretty exciting day so far, and we got a lot of news to cover. Before we get started, go ahead and smash that like button if you guys have not already. Why? Because it helps out this video, helps out this channel, and it's going to push out some more content to you guys. Welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, or evening, whatever time you're watching this. We got a lot, man. We got a lot of amazing stuff today. We're going to be talking about some inflow, outflow data. We're going to be taking a look at some of the analytics with regards to some of these cryptocurrencies that we've had an eye out. We're going to be talking about where we are with Bitcoin, what the whales are doing right now, the overall sentiment, and whether or not if this is the official start to a new altcoin season. I'll be sharing with you exactly why I believe this could be the start to something very, very incredible. Now, on top of that, I've been posting on my Instagram that AMC has been doing crazy stuff. As on top, Brian Jung, can you even English, my brother? On top of that, GameStop, guys. Whew. We are seeing some action. So I definitely wanted to cover a little bit of that because I'm still involved in the AMC action. Although it's been a lot of crypto content recently, I still hold a pretty decent amount of AMC that I wanted to share with you guys in this video. So I've been holding for a pretty long time. So let's open up. See that I wanted to share with you guys in this video. So okay, let's turn that down. We'll keep that playing. Alrighty, guys, so AMC today, it's at $18.60, $18.91. Earlier, it was actually at $19, and in total, I've made $30,000 from this investment so far. So if you are part of my inner circle, okay, let me see if we can bring this guy up. If you are part of my inner circle, I made this call just a little while ago, and I know that a lot of people are running low on that ammunition and on that firepower, but this is something that we talked about. This is something that I mentioned time and time again. The flow of money, whether it's through crypto or different markets, we're going to get a trend just because there's always some type of hype going behind the overall sentiment behind retail investors. So this means is, you remember when Doge was big? Right. Well, what did those people do? Did those people all end up cashing out? Well, some of them did, but generally what happens is money starts flowing through to other what we consider hypes, and you just got to figure out what that could be. Now, my boy Discord is loading up right here. It's taking a little bit, but I will put that call up on this screen just in a little bit. In the meantime, you know what we can do? Let's go ahead and check out the crypto market prices. So today at a high, I saw a 7% increase. Today, we're up 5.21%. Bitcoin went down again to $38,830. It seems like anytime it gets anywhere near $40,000, it just gets boom. It just gets waka waka. Don't know what that was, but we really need Bitcoin to start hitting that $40,000, and the ideal price target, like I mentioned in yesterday's video, $42,000 is what I'm hoping for in order for us to see some more massive action. Now, other than that, Ethereum seems to be having a blast right now. Let me put a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So Ethereum, $2,744 at the time of filming this video. They're up 5.5% or up 2.86% for the week. My last initial investment on Sunday where the market took that brutal dip. Oh, Discord, is this where you at now? When that market took that brutal dip, we noticed that today's up, people are making money. So let's go into a crypto hub where I'll be posting my trades and AMC. When was this? AMC back. I got my boy Trey in here with the bounce, and this was May 5th. May 5th. So here are just some of the calls that we've been making. Literally free money, free easy ROI, and I have my whole fundamental reason why behind this. Now, I can't show y'all too much because this is saved for our private members, but going back into the actual video, here's what we got, guys. Tether, $1. Ain't nothing ever gonna change with Tether. Hopefully y'all know what Tether is. Hopefully you guys understand the concept of a stable coin. But the reason why this is going up is because most people are parking their money in Tether right now. So you remember Doge used to be taking the number 3, number 4 spot just a little while ago, but now we're getting Tether up here because people are seeing the volatility in the market is not something they want to be a part of, and pretty much what a large majority, I would say half the majority of people holding Tether right now are just sitting on the sideline in case we do go south. There is still a possibility. There are price targets where analysts are predicting that it could possibly go down to even $19,000. Do I think that could happen? It could happen. I don't think it will. So I think we actually have a much better chance of going to the upside only based on all the consolidation that we've been having recently. The FUD seems to be decreasing less. Let's go to the crypto fear and index guide. We're on a scale of 22 on the meter today. And although it's very similar to what we had yesterday, in the current past few days or the last week or so, we are definitely going down a little. So we got to get into this yellow zone right here where the overall market sentiment between the fear right now gets a little greedy, because that's when we'll start seeing more confidence in the market and more people starting to invest. So that's going to be very important. I got all my tabs open right here just to show you guys in a little bit. Now, hopefully, y'all having a good time. Let me zoom this sucker in right here. That's my desktop background. Hope you guys enjoy it. Found it on Google. I love this anime stuff. I'm a weeb. All right, so Binance Coin at $363, up 8.43%. Cardano up 9% today. Okay, so they're at $1.70. They are climbing up. XRP still down for the week, almost 18%, but having a little bit of a recovery. Dogecoin. So Elon's been going pretty ham with the Dogecoin tweets, and what's surprising is Dogecoin is still not blowing up like crazy like we expected it to. Surprisingly, they're actually red and amidst all this market green that we're noticing this morning. So Dogecoin right now, hopefully they do, start picking it up. I do, I thought I would never say this, but I would consider Dogecoin a good potential buy if it did enter 25 to 27 cents range. 34 cents is still outside of my price range, but generally that's where the last bottom was in terms of the last, I would say, the last what I would consider good entry point, and I've been very bullish on my Dogecoin investment. Not financial advice. Do I recommend Dogecoin? Not at all, but it seems like Elon's sentiment towards Dogecoin is not changing any bit at all. More and more people are warmed up to it. So, before even starting YouTube, guys, I was huge into marketing. I used to run all these Facebook ads, and I learned, I don't want to toot my own horn, but I knew a lot about Facebook ads back in the day. I remember watching people making tutorials on Facebook and being like, what the? So, the whole reason I bring this up is because my experience in marketing has shown me the difference between warming up that traffic and getting the conversions on it. So what does that mean? What does that have to do with Doge? So when you're trying to get someone to buy, say, your little thing of honey right here, your organic honey, it's harder to get conversions off cold traffic. So if I went up to a random person on the street in New York and said, yo, you want this eaten jar of honey right near here, chances are they're going to say no. But chances are if they've seen this jar of honey like 20 different times on their Instagram story, if they've seen it on billboards, and then they had their mom and pop saying how like healthy this is and how amazing it is and the crazy benefits, like how it stops hiccups, chances are, even though there's not much in here, they would be warmed up to buying it. So the thing with Dogecoin is that we've had so much warmed up traffic because of SNL and because of the hype that we've had. I don't know if it's going to ever hit $1. I think the resistance level of around 75 cents is going to be really difficult to get through. But in this instance, I do think having a small position in Doge is not going to hurt you, especially if it goes below 30 cents. I think that really is going to be the max threshold, and I just see a lot of people still holding the bag on this. I check out the overall views in the Dogecoin community. The subreddit still popping. Elon ain't changing his stance on it. He likes Doge, and he's just going to stick by it. And then we also have other committed, I would say, YouTube channels that do get very consistent views still in the Dogecoin and Shiba Inu world. But like I say, guys, I often don't promote these meme coins on this channel just because I'm just I love projects that I know that regardless of whatever happens with Bitcoin, I can stand by because they're going to be around in the future. So that means everyone is going to make money. You don't have to risk a lot of money in order to make a high reward. I don't know why people keep assuming that you do. It is faster in order to risk that money in order to make a faster reward, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's, you're not going to make any type of money by going what I consider the safer route, the more consistent route, and the route where it's less stressful, less gray hairs. Like I got the 20 on the side of my head right here from the recent market dip. Polkadot. They're up 3.88%, still down 19% for the week. We got another stable coin climbing up the ranks like a little assassin. ICP, tell me who's hurting from ICP. I know I'm hurting. I know all of my boys are hurting right now. ICP has definitely been one of the cryptocurrencies. As soon as it got listed, boom, just taking people's money, bag holders going down. But if you do some more research into ICP and realize the potential that they have, they could overpower every cryptocurrency on the market, except for Ethereum, Bitcoin. We'll leave the king and the queen, you know, sitting right there. But ICP, I'm seeing 3 to 5 years, a very strong hold. Strong, baby. Okay, so Uniswap is up 6% today. Polygon, let's go. Broke through the $2. We're back in the $2.16 for Polygon Matic today. Actually, a lot of good news lately with partnerships with Matic too. And the crazy thing is, all right, guys, I really got to get this top crypto picks video out soon, just because this is definitely going to be on that list still. A lot of people are investing into Matic, but they don't even know what the heck it is. So there are a lot of different layers and a lot of different components to this cryptocurrency, and I'm trying my best to break it down as easy as possible. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for that video, because if your cryptos are on the top crypto list that I have, chances are you're going to be set up regardless of whatever fluctuation or dip we have in the short term. Now, this kind of goes back, and I'll talk about more of this towards the end of this video, where I really want to cover your mindset that you need during these times, because I still get these DMs. It's like, Brian, I need you to go live, man. I'm stressing. I'm scared. I'm trying to train y'all. Think of like the Shaolin monks or something. I'm trying to train y'all. I got like a piece of fuzz in my eye. What is this? I'm trying to train y'all where you don't have this type of volatility in your own emotions due to what the market is doing. That's the point that we're trying to get to. Now, hopefully I've been live this whole time. I actually haven't checked my stats. Okay. What's up? What's up with the live? Okay. All right, we're good. I'm going to check the chat just for a second, you guys, to make sure that this is all running. Oh, shoot. This is not public. Oh, shoot. I was like, why is there only 140 people in here? Dang. All right, chat. Oh, my gosh. I messed up. I really messed up. Okay. We're going to have to do this again. Oh, gosh. That was a pretty fire way to start the video, right, boys? Who's in here? Shoot, we are not public. We are unlisted. Dang. Yeah, it's Inception right here. All right, I'm going to have to reboot this, guys. I'm going to have to reboot this. I was wondering why there's only 100 people in here. I thought YouTube shadow banned me or something. Sheesh. Sheesh. All right, guys. What are we gonna do? Let me restart this live. Let me do a public one, and then we'll get started with everything I said. All right, if you all watching this, thank you for watching. Let's do this retake. Ah, sheesh.